Yeah, guess I'm in the mood.
Yeah, this was
Playing with boys.
came on a motorbike and made a board of breakfast.
Okay.
I've been up to those waterfalls. And then there's the one where if you keep going, you come to the lake and there's the crashed water.
Yes, yes, that's right.
But I've not been there for many years. I don't even know where it is now.
Stop there.
Keep going that path.